If I had to start YouTube again today, no subscribers, no audience, no money, and only 6 months to grow, I would not buy expensive gear. I would not copy random creators. And I definitely would not upload videos without a plan. Instead, I'd follow a simple roadmap that's actually working in 2026. And in this video, I'm showing you exactly what I do from day one to grow a brand new YouTube channel from scratch. Because one mistake can waste months of your time. Most beginners fail before they even upload their first video. Why? Because they choose the wrong niche. In 2026, the best niche is not just something you enjoy. It's the combination of topics people already watch, topics you can make videos about consistently, topics that can actually grow. Here are some of the best niches right now: YouTube growth, AI tools, finance, productivity, fitness, gaming, storytelling, educational content. But here's the secret. Don't start broad. Smaller channels grow faster when they're specific. Instead of fitness, do home workout transformations. Instead of gaming, do Minecraft challenges. Instead of AI, do best AI tools for students. The clearer your channel is, the faster YouTube understands who to recommend you to. This is where most beginners get stuck. They keep asking, what should I upload? But successful creators don't guess, they research. Here's exactly what I do. Step 1. Search your niche on YouTube. Then filter videos by most popular. Now study videos with high views, simple titles, strong thumbnails. Because if a topic worked before, it can work again. Step 2. Look for patterns. You'll notice the same video styles repeating over and over, like what happens if? I tried this for 30 days. Top 10. Beginner guide. Mistakes to avoid. That means viewers already love those formats, so don't reinvent the wheel. Use proven formats first. Step 3. Read comments. Comments are free video ideas. People constantly ask, can you make part 2? What about beginners? Does this actually work? Boom, that's your next video idea. And remember this, your first 100 videos are practice. Stop trying to make every video perfect. Focus on improving with every upload. If I started from zero today, I would use both shorts and long-form videos, but differently. Shorts are for fast reach, discovery, testing ideas. Long-form videos are for subscribers, watch time, real audience, money. Here's the strategy I'd follow. Upload 1 long-form video every week, 1 to 3 shorts every week also, and your shorts should support your long videos. For example, if your long video is how to grow on YouTube, your shorts can be biggest beginner mistake, why your videos get no views, 1 trick to increase watch time. 1 long video becomes multiple shorts. That saves time and increases reach. Most beginners quit because they try impossible schedules. Uploading daily sounds productive until burnout hits. If I started today, this is the exact schedule I'd follow. Monday, research ideas. Tuesday, write script. Wednesday, record. Thursday, edit. Friday, upload. And 2 day gaps for 3 shorts for 1 week. Simple. Consistency beats intensity. The algorithm rewards creators who keep showing up, not creators who upload for 1 week and disappear. Now let's talk about the mistakes that destroy small channels. Mistake 1. Uploading random content. If your videos are about completely different topics, the algorithm gets confused. Stay focused. Mistake 2. Bad thumbnails. Your thumbnail matters more than editing, because if nobody clicks, nobody watches. Use big text, high contrast, 1 clear focus. Emotion. Mistake 3. Long, boring intros. Nobody cares about logo animations. Get to the point fast. Mistake 4. Quitting too early. Most creators stop uploading before they improve. Your first videos will probably be bad. That's normal. Every successful creator started there. And mistake 5. Obsessing over subscribers. Instead, focus on better titles, better hooks, better storytelling. Subscribers come after value. Here's the truth. YouTube in 2026 is still one of the biggest opportunities online, but the people winning right now are not always the smartest. they're the most consistent. So stop waiting for perfect gear, perfect ideas, perfect timing. Start now. Your first video might get 20 views, but one great upload can completely change your channel. And if you're serious about growing on YouTube, subscribe, because on this channel, I'm going to show you exactly how to grow faster in 2026.